Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off the inaugural run of first Vande Bharat Express in Uttarakhand from Dehradun to Delhi via video conferencing. Addressing the Confederation of Indian Industry annual session in New Delhi, Power Minister R.K. Singh said that India will have 65% of its power generation capacity from non-fossil fuels by 2030. Union Minister of Earth Sciences Kiran Rijiju said that India will soon acquire its fastest supercomputer worth 900 crore rupees and it is expected to start functioning by March 2024. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has launched the 5.1 version of the Regional Connectivity Scheme Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagarik Udan to enhance the connectivity to remote areas of the country. Addressing the Quad Plus Site event on tuberculosis in the 76th World Health Assembly in Geneva, Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya said that India is striving to eliminate tuberculosis from the country by 2025, 5 years ahead of the Global Sustainable Development Goal.